How is it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and today I'm going to show you how to install your C8 Rally Driver Z06 engine builder plaque from the comfort of your very own garage. Takes 5 minutes, has a huge impact on your engine bay, whether that's a coupe or a convertible, and you don't need a rocket science degree to get it installed either. So without further ado, let's get to it. So the first step in this process is we need to remove this OEM Z06 engine builder plaque from the intake manifolds themselves using these two 8mm bolts. And just like that, removing the two bolts. Be careful not to drop them in the engine bay, obviously, unless you really want to go fishing for them. But with that being said, we do have the OEM engine builder plaque off. And now we will take it over to the workbench to remove the physical plaque itself and transfer it to our new one. So let's go to the workbench. So using a plastic pry tool here, we're going to work our way underneath the plaque itself, slowly but surely prying the adhesive off behind it. This can be a more time-consuming process, so just be careful not to damage the plaque itself, and obviously be careful, don't stab yourself with the pry tool either. In this case here, slow and steady wins the race. And as you can see now, we have our pry tool pretty far jammed up underneath there. You can see it's starting to lift the adhesive. So using either another pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver works as well. We are going to just kind of try to continue to do the same thing on the other sides, just getting more and more leverage, trying to separate this plaque from the plastic bracket. And once we have it off a good amount, as you can see, just like that, we can peel it off. And here you can see that adhesive I was talking about on the back earlier. Now we have a couple options. You can sit and take the time to kind of scrape or remove this adhesive off with a little help from some Gooby Gone and a rag and some elbow grease. You can get it completely clean, or you can just stick it onto the new one like this. That choice is up to you. With our brand new C8 Rally Driver engine builder plaque, yours will look like this in whatever color you choose. They look pretty cool. Pull that off, you'll see there is the two adhesive strips that the OEM plaque is going to stick to. And then underneath in the box is going to be all your new hardware. So let's go ahead and peel these two strips of adhesive off the red tape on the front. So now we're ready to stick it down. Like I said, we're simply going to line up the plaque. It only really fits in there one way, nice and snug, and then we're going to push it down. Also notate the orientation does not matter. It is perfectly symmetrical, so it will go on either way. So don't worry about, putting it on upside down. So like I said, we'll line up our plaque in there, just like so. And apply some pressure. You can hold it down there just to make sure it adheres. And just like that, we now have our plaque fully installed, ready to rock and roll, get this bad boy back on the car. With your hardware, you should have received two of these rubber spacers. We are going to start by setting them on top of the holes, like so. Now we will grab our plaque and set it on. Taking our two fancy washers, we will set those on with the flat side facing down towards the manifold, like so. And last but not least, we will take our two new additional bolts, line them up with the holes, just get them started by hand like so. And last but not least, using our Allen wrench, we will go ahead and tighten them down. And just like that, it is fully installed. And there you guys have it. That is how easy it is to get installed your C8 Rally Driver Z06 engine builder plaque. Now you're ready to rock and roll to your next car show and show off your unique engine bay on your C8 Z06. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to let me know by leaving a like down below, comment, subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.